Good morning, everybody. So we are back on Curt's truck. Got everything kind of back together yesterday. Well, the guys did. And the fans don't want to work, which is kind of really weird because they were working. So I've already checked and cleaned up the relays. They appear to be good, so no issues. So we'll bolt those back up. I have a habit of cleaning everything before I put it back together. I don't know why, I just do. So now we're going to start checking to see if I call it the igniter, the wire coming from the switch, which is what triggers the relays, is good. So I don't know if we have either a bad sender, a bad switch. I'm not sure which. So I'm just double checking everything now. Everything appears to be plugged in and good, and there's no ground issues. There's no worries that way. So I'll just double check and keep going along. And Bobby's out on a test drive right now, so of course when he gets back, I'll have him take a look, see if there's something I missed that he'll catch. I don't know. I've already checked. We've got power at the fuse all the way to here, so we're good. I know we've got that. I can't check the power coming out because these haven't been, quote, ignited, so that we have a reason for them to kick in. And sounds like Bobby's back. God, that car sounds so nice. But okay, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, yeah. And I'm back. So, still on Curt's truck. We just double checked every single fuse, and every single fuse is good. So Bobby's finishing off what he's doing real quick, and then he's going to come give me a quick hand. And we're going to start double checking. I've got a really good idea that I know what happened. Is the coolant temp switch, which you can see right there, we think took a which, not a big deal. Slap a new one on and we should be good to go. But I just want to double check. Bobby's going to fire up the igniter on the relays. And we are going to, if all goes well, the fans will just kick right back on and it's not a relay. If it's a relay, we just grab a new relay. It's not a big deal. If it's the switch, it's not a big deal. So, I mean, we've checked. We've got power to the main fuse right here, both sides, coming from the battery in to here, all the way to here. I've already double checked that, but I can't check the power at the fans because we need to trip the igniter. And I'm only so good, so we're going to go with Bobby helping me in just a minute as soon as he's done doing what he's doing with the client and some parts, and we'll get this taken care of. But on that note, ladies and gentlemen, we'll see you on the next one. What are you doing, Bobby?
I am jumpering where the relays go to ensure that the fans work. Did you just shit your pants on camera?
No, I farted. Oh my God.
Did you need to go wipe?
This new medication. Wow.
You need a wipe?
No,
are you
I'm good.
pregnant?
I better not be.
Nursing? Are you expecting to be nursing?
No, not that I'm aware of.
Are you gonna make? Never mind. All right, so we got one relay out. Turn that airplane down. I'm trying to talk.
Right?
So that powers up. So let's pull the other relay and make sure that fan powers up with the jumper.
Okay, so on that note, we're going to pause you guys for just a second.
Let's pause.
And 3, 2.
Also, wait. I'm gonna make a complaint. I'm good at complaining. Scotty knows I've been bitchy all day.
And we're going to pause.
Wait, I want to make my complaint.
You make a complaint later. And
I'm making my complaint right
3,
now.
2,
But I want
1.
to make a complaint.
We're back.
I was gonna make my complaint first because Scotty hung up on me before. Self-tappers do not belong on a vehicle, period. If you're too lazy to drill a hole and put the bolt with a little nut and do it right, go find another job.
You are a little nut.
I make a lot.
Let's.
Anyway, okay, so got this relay out. Just gonna do a little jumper.
So I know everything's good that way.
Okay, so both fans work. And I highly doubt both relays got took out.
Yeah, there's no way.
So, I think what I'm gonna do is, he said they come on at 190. Don't wait. Wait. He said they come on at 190 and shut off at 180. So then I'm gonna let it idle, get up to 190, and check and see if we have trigger power. If we don't, then we need to chase.
Well, I've explained it 3 times. I know we're good this way.
Yeah, that's constant power.
Right. Don't say I know we're good this way. We've already jumped it.
Constant power.
Exactly. So we know we're
Trigger
good.
power from here, from the sender.
Let me get over on that side.
No, maybe from the sender.
Right.
Okay. So let's let it warm up. Check it from the sender.
Mm-hmm.
Well, we'll check it here to see if we have trigger power here, and we'll have
Right.
a little bit of time before it gets too hot.
Right.
So let me fire it. We'll let it idle, and then we'll check for trigger voltage at both relays.
Okay.
I highly doubt both relays got took out magically.
Yeah, which is
But
yeah.
I've seen other dumb stuff before. We do live in a world of dumb things happen to cars. So.
God, I love this truck, Curt. Okay, we're gonna let it run for a little bit, and we'll get back to you on the next part. All right.
Yeah, what he said. All right, Scotty just told me it's about 205. So that circuit should be, that makes it ground. That's what the sensor does. So I'm on positive here. 1439, 143941, whatever. So the sensor is working. So our relay's bad. No fan has come on. No fan has come on. Bad relays.
Okay. I'm gonna shut the truck
Small
off.
relays here. Shut the truck off for overheat. Yeah. Relays do not need a ground. Like, that's just a mounting bracket.
Yeah.
So that should have triggered. I'm curious. Do I have some relays we can test with? So let's go ahead and pull those out again and see if I have some relays to test with.
I may have some in the electric cart.
Okay, we'll do that. So
Okay.
let's pause, pop those out. I'll go look for them.